Hey y'all, and what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinley. Today I'm going to be playing with the Gourmande Girls Summerween palette. This is a color story. It's so beautiful and bright. I can't wait to try it out. If you're interested in seeing what look I'm going to be creating with this palette, then stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know if you like this color story or not. And alrighty, let's get started. So I already have my Milani eyeshadow primer on my lids, and I'm gonna go into the shade Poolside Panic, this beautiful bright blue, and I'm gonna take that in the crease with a old Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH45 brush. So I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm building up the pigment in the crease, and then I'm going to diffuse after I have the level of pigment that I want. Now that I have the level of pigment that I want, I'm gonna take this Sigma E40 Max tapered blending brush, and I'm going to diffuse the edge of that shade. Now that that is blended, I'm gonna go in with this shade Hot Ghoul Summer right here, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner and a little bit into the crease like so. And I'm using this E27 detail blending Sigma brush. So I already applied the NYX glitter glue primer, and I applied Solar Scare on the eyelid. I wasn't filming, so let's apply it on here on this eye. And it's okay if I get messy with it, because I'm gonna go in with the makeup removing towel and wipe that away. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. I see a little bit like a purplish flip to this shadow, or I don't know if I'm just imagining it, but I can see a little purple flip. I can see it. Alright, so this is what I got going on so far. I'm going to get off of camera and wipe some of the fallout and clean it up a little bit, use mascara, do my full face, come back and do the lower lash line with you and the inner corner highlight. I know I look super pale on camera, like it's crazy. I am using the light medium Wet n Wild tinted hydrator. It was only $5.49 at Target, and I'm like, I remember I used it a long time ago and I remember liking it, so I'm like, I'm gonna buy it and try it out. And it is super light, but I bronzed up, and I rather have a light foundation as opposed to having a very dark orangey foundation, you know what I mean? All right, let's get into this lower lash light. I'm gonna use the shade Hot Ghoul Summer on the lash line. This is such a pretty color, like a magenta. And then I was thinking that for a inner corner highlight, I'm gonna do a matte shadow. Let me find a good brush. Okay, I think I'm gonna do Early Creep, this lime green right here. And let's see how that's gonna look. Ooh. What do you guys think? Does it look cute or no? I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? Does it look cute? How they blended out. The shimmers are stunning. They're not chunky. Well, the shimmer that I use is not chunky, and I really like that. And I'm going to be creating more looks with this palette. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like this look? Do you like this color story, or what you thinking? All right, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Adios. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and like this video if you like it. I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Bye.